I have a Samsung Galaxy A52 here. I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. So first thing here from the welcome screen, you want to go ahead and choose your language. I'm good with English. Tap on Start. Here are a few legal items to review. You must have all of these checked in order to proceed, okay? So we're going to go to Next here. Choose Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this to my home Wi-Fi network. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and put in my password. Once you put in the password, let's tap on Connect. Hopefully that's the correct password. Yep, it says connected right there. I'm going to tap on Next. Checking for updates. From here, you can copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, basically Gmail, and more. If you want to proceed from there, you can go ahead and tap on Next. For me, I'm going to do no copy. I'm going to do a complete fresh install on this one. Sign into your Google account, basically your Gmail. You can do this now or you can do it later. I'm just going to go ahead and do it later. So I'm going to go ahead and skip this step. And I'm also going to tap skip right there as well. Google services, you can go ahead and read through these, but these are all optional. I'm fine with all those checked. I'm going to go ahead and tap on accept. Protect your phone with a password. You can skip this, but I would advise to put some kind of password in there right now. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and put a PIN in, and then I'll probably do a face recognition fingerprint like later on, okay? So let me go ahead and make a quick PIN. Put it in my first time. Let me tap on continue. Let me put it in again to confirm. Okay, I'm going to click on OK. Samsung account, you can go ahead and sign in right now, or you can create an account, or you can skip it and you can sign in later if you wish, okay? I'm probably never even going to sign into my Samsung account, but I'm going to go ahead and just skip this for now. You're all set up. Tap on finish, and there you go. And from here, you can go ahead and you can insert your SIM card if you wish right now. It goes up there, all right? So pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below, all right? Good luck. Bye.